Shri Matre Namaha, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. During this Sharad Navratri, we can also enjoy the Devi's Mahatmyam in Kirtanas, Geetam and songs. One of the song or one of the Kirtana I'll sing, Devi Niye Tunai. Devi Niye Tunai Amba Devi Niye Tunai Ten Madurai Var Meenalochani Devi Niye Tunai Ten Madurai Var Meenalochani Devi Devadi Devan Devadi Devan Sundareshan Devadi Devan Sundareshan Chittam Kavarbhuvana Sundari Amba Chittam Kavarbhuvana Sundari Amba Devi Niye Tunai Ten Madurai Var Meenalochani Devi Malayadvajan Madhavame Kanchanamale Mudalvi Maharagni Malaya